In this video, I was sharing you in more detail relating to the CCSA making a big change announcement yesterday. It was a great news. Yes, everyone, I have a feedback that yeah, this is very good. This is what are we waiting for. But they are still unclear about the Thailand Pass and also insurance, especially if you are planning to travel early May, what you need to do because the Thailand Pass are closing. They're expecting to have some closing period. Let's find out more details on this video. Hello everyone and welcome to Sawasdeethailand Thailand. Today video will be relating to from yesterday of the CCSA making announcement. On the 22nd of April, there was a big change and it was a great news. Furthermore, they are still unclear about Thailand Pass. If you just come up to this video first time, yesterday it was, I will wrap up quickly. Yesterday it was the announcement of the CCSA having a big change to cancel the test and go accommodation and RT PCR test for the fully vaccinated and for unvaccinated also. If you are coming with the unvaccinated, you don't need to having a RT PCR test on day one. And the detail, you still need an insurance of 10,000 USD, not 20,000. It reduced from 20. In more details, I have released the video yesterday, so you can take a look of the. You can go and take a look up there on the yesterday video in more detail. But today video, I will go through deeply about the Thailand Pass because we know the Thailand Pass is still existing. The Thailand Pass will be the last thing that the CSA, the Thai government, will need to be released under the law of Royal Gazette. Let me recap everyone. So everyone are still required a Thailand Pass, even Thai people, okay? Even Thai people. But Thai people, you don't need insurance. If you are fully vaccinated, you don't need insurance for enter to Thailand. But everyone still needs a Thailand Pass. But foreigner, you also require insurance for 10,000 USD. So the price of the insurance also less, okay? But what is gonna happen because the Thailand Pass today news release that if you are planning to coming to enter to Thailand after 1st of May, you cannot apply the Thailand Pass yet. I mean the new application, okay? The existing application that you already have launched to the Thailand Pass or you already have the existing receiving the QR code already, you still can use the old one, no problem, okay? On those who already received the QR code, you only need to cancel your hotel accommodation and get the refund because the hotel and the test you don't need anymore, okay? But for those who would not apply the Thailand Pass yet and will be traveling from the 1st of May, you cannot apply the Thailand Pass yet because if you apply right now, the Thailand Pass will not accept the application traveling from the 1st May onward. The system will allow you to apply from 29th of April midnight in Bangkok time, in Thailand time. That means you get everything, your paper ready, okay? And be ready on the 29th. They are expecting the process of issuing the Thailand Pass will be less. It makes sense because you don't have a hotel, you don't need to check the hotel accommodation. It cut off the big part of the processing. They only need to check your vaccine certificate and insurance. That's it. So you don't need to upload your flight ticket or anything. Only vaccine certificate and the insurance. That's all you need, and then apply for the Thailand Pass. That's why it expecting the processing will be less. It will be expecting to get the Thailand Pass in 1st, 2nd or 3rd of May, so you'll be able still can get the Thailand Pass on time. And make sure the insurance is still required is the minimum of 10,000 USD. And the good news that we have packages of the Thailand Pass including with insurance with a great price of 3,900 baht, include everything, so including 30 days of insurance and includes also the Thailand Pass. And if you want us to do it for you hassle free, you can go and check at the email this one to check it for you, and the rest we will do everything for you. So please feel free to take a look at the link below. So next one, it will be very important. As I mentioned, if you're flying first, second, third, and you're not sure what you're going to do, first of all, if you apply now, if the system will not accept, they accept from 29, so you cannot do. Somebody come back to me, oh, can I just go apply under test and go? I don't mind to pay one night quarantine and one night test, but initially we not and want us to do it, but the system are not accept because you are traveling after 1st of May. So you only have one choice to submit and apply application on the 29th of April. And also some of you are looking for just insurance only and you will apply the Thailand Pass by your own. Welcome to check in the link below that I give to you. You can purchase the insurance alone also if you want to do the Thailand Pass by yourself. And there are something more update after the big change, always like this, especially right now about the Thailand Pass system. So if I have anything that more updating relating to incoming to Thailand, so I will sharing you quickly in this video, in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe so you not miss any information like this. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.